Hey parents and music teachers! Do you have a child or student who's age 3 or older? Ivana Music's new series, Piano Basics for Little Tots, is a music book series designed for young children to learn basics about the piano and written music in an easy, fun, and colorful way. In the Music Notes Level 1 book, students can learn to identify, clap, and count 4 different types of notes. There's even a QR code at the bottom of each clapping page that provides an audio recording of how to clap and count each note. This can be a great reference for parents and homeschool teachers without prior music knowledge who are helping young children along through the book. To get your copy of Music Notes Level 1, other books in Ivana Music's Piano Basics for Little Tots series, and more by Ivana Music, head over to Amazon.com where the books are now available, and visit our website, IvanaMusicLessons.com. Happy learning!